Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So we're looking at a review of exponents, and this question over here says, convert each of the following to the base indicated. And so over here we have 9 to the power of 2x to base 3, right? So they want us to convert 9 to the power of 2x to have a base of 3. And so we know that 9 could be written as 3 to the power of 2. So instead of 9 to the power of 2x, it's 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 2x. And, they want us to write this in simplest form. And so uh, let's just write it as, or like as a one singular base. So over here, it's going to be power of a power. So it's going to be 3 to the power of 4x. Okay. All right. Next one over here, 125. How can I write 125 as a base of 5? Well, we know that 5 to the power of 3, yes, is equal to 125, and that is to the power of 2 minus x. Now remember, we do want to write this in simplest form, so we do this power of a power, multiply them, and we're going to have 5 to the power of 6 minus 3x. Okay? All right, for the next one, I want you to pause the video, try it out on your own, and then come back and join me, okay? All right, go ahead. All right, everyone, now that you're back, let's have a look at this together. So we can see that over here it says 8 multiplied by 16x to the base to base 2. Then over here we want to write the 8 and the 16 as a base of 2 because they both can be written as a base of 2. So 8 to the power 8 could be written as 2 to the power of 3, and 16 could be written as, so this is multiplied by 16, so 2 to the power of 4, that's 16, all to the power of x, since it's 16 to the power of x. Then I say this is equal to, and I can simplify this top one over here and multiply them out. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 4x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Now remember, when you multiply powers of the same base, you add their exponents. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 3 plus 4x. I hope you got the same answer. All right, let's do the next one. So the next one over here says 1 over 512 to the power of 3x to the base of 2. So I want to write 512 as something to the base of 2. And I'm going to save you the time here. I did test it out a lot, and I'm like, oh, okay, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 8, until I got that it's 2 to the power of 9. And so 512 could be written as 2 to the power of 9. Okay? All right, so 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 3x. And remember, I can do power of a power, so multiply these out. And I can rewrite this as 1 over 2 to the power of 27x. Now remember, they do want a base of 2. And so right now it looks like I have 1 over a base of 2. And so instead, what I can do here is I can go, okay, well, that's 2 to the power of 27x. But 27x has to be negative for it to reciprocate, and we'd have only a base of 2. Okay? All right, let's do the next one here. So the next one says 16 over 81, and I want to write it as a base of 2 over 3. So what I want you to do here is I want you to take a moment, try this out on your own, and come back and join me as well, okay? Go ahead. All right, everyone. So now that you're back, let's have a look at this together. Now, remember, we already said that 16 could be written as 2 to the power of 4. So we're going to go 2 to the power of 4 all over 8 to the power of 81 could be written as 3 to the power of 4. And so we can see that they're both going to have an exponent of 4. So we can write it as 2 over 3 to the power of 4. Right? So I don't actually have to write 2 to the power of 4 all over 3 to the power of 4 because I'm trying to have that one base, the power of something. So instead, I just keep that 4 outside, right? And it becomes power of a quotient. And so I have this what I have down here represents this inside stuff, but this inside stuff was all raised to the power of x plus 5. So then I need to write it as that, and then I go, oh, okay, well, now I have power of a power, so I need to multiply these out, right? So I'll go, oh, okay, well, that's 2 over 3, that's the base, all to the power of 4x plus 4 times 5 is 20, right? Okay, and that's pretty much it for this question, everyone. I hope that helped. I hope you got the same answers as I did, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.